All right, good morning, guys. Wednesday morning. Just got to the office. We got some edit. I just got to the office. Some wedding edits finish up. We leave for Florida tomorrow.
Leave for Florida tomorrow. 7 in the morning.
7 a.m. departure. We're driving.
7 a.m. flight out of our cars. What?
I wish our car could fly.
Yeah. I do. Welcome to the vlog. Today it sucks. Dylan's mad and it's a really tough day. The kids have tough lives and like nothing works and like, what do you think?
Sucks.
It sucks, dude. Like nothing's fun. So just go buy things and.
Hey, what are you looking for?
It's really hot in the building. That's another thing that sucks about life. And things are just really hard.
Things are looking down.
Things are looking down right now.
Was it attached to your shoes or did you buy them?
We bought them like this. They're called Heelys. Of course you do.
Where did you get those?
Amazon.
Okay, we're headed out. We're gonna grab some lunch. Then we gotta go to the grocery store, get some snacks and some drinks and some things for the 15-hour ride tomorrow.
You're up for the trip. 15 hours in the car.
We're at Wegmans now. Just ate some lunch, and now we're gonna help them grocery shop for their trip. Super excited!
Yeah, you are.
And I feel like if you were to tip, I would break my wrist because they're like.
You gotta get out. You gotta get out.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You know what? I realize I'm way too short to be doing this. Like I'm down here and
I
I
have
was
to
like,
do it for Dylan too.
Dylan's head's all the way up here.
Are we gonna do it for Dylan? Go with some one pumpkin, Mom. First thing in the cart, like these. Wow, we're doing well. What is Dylan getting
Look
for the
at
car?
these are what I was talking about, Harrison.
Oh,
The
probiotic juices.
smoothies. Look at
I wanna try this.
Super smoothie.
$3.50.
Shake and squeeze. Problem is I paid a lot of money for my probiotics that I drink every day. So like to use this, I'm nervous.
Shopping for them. Doing everything for them like usual.
Yeah, because they're still stuck on the juices after 10 minutes. And probiotics.
Pumpkin spice everything. You know what's funny? I read a tweet the other day, and it said, pumpkin isn't spicy at all.
20 Billy. Perfect. Okay, we're out. Pick those ones up, though. What are we doing? Oh,
I thought you were getting cool pretzels.
Fuck. I was looking for trail mix.
Oh.
Did your heart stop?
No, I knew what I was doing.
Stop for you. Mine did.
Oxy free.
I'm only in pink. One of these for Tara.
Oh my god!
I don't want to play with this because if it spills.
Yeah, don't play.
R.I.P. to everything ever. Put that down.
Don't break it.
Goshers are 2 for 4, so we gotta get 2. 4. What are you on my phone?
Here's the thing. A lot of these shots are like this. Like you guys are normal, and then I go over.
It's a cool chill. Non-perils.
Non-perils? What are they though?
This is chocolate.
Oh.
Oh, we can't put chocolate. I mean, the same bag.
There's another bag right there.
I kind of like some gummy spread.
They got chewy spoons.
Oh, no way. Where?
Fourth one in.
Oh, man. I want chewy sour trees.
You know they're watching us.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. These ice cubes. Put my hand in.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, big league chewy.
Got
Where?
that on
Flavors.
cameras.
We're all old
wild
enough.
pitch. Put in here. How about this? Let's both help each other out. Add some more chocolate to this.
What about
So a
what are we gonna do
chocolate
about
bag and a
what are
gummy
we gonna
bag.
do about chewy sprees?
Do you want to add it to that? Would go in my bag, I think.
This is the worst.
You think?
Yeah, I think so.
Come here all together because we literally just encourage each
Not
other
too
to
much,
get
though.
bad stuff.
You keep going. Oh my God, Dylan! Well, there goes my heart. Dude, what the fuck?
Yeah.
I don't want this many sprees.
I genuinely had no idea.
This is gonna be like $18. What do we do?
I honestly had no idea because when I first pulled it,
Yeah,
I
I know,
was
I
kind
know.
of hard and it
I
barely
know.
came out.
I know. Okay, well.
Put them in here. Put them in.
I don't want all
Just
these.
put them in here.
You put it back?
Yeah.
I feel bad. We're gonna get yelled at once. No, we're not even being bad. We're fucking idiots.
He's already walking into the car.
Okay, that might be for the sour bag.
There's not much in the chocolate bag there, Dylan.
Dylan,
What?
You're lacking on the chocolate bag.
No, this is good.
what about
What about these? These are so good.
That's a lot of water.
Yeah, this was the night. Also was this. Trend, fashion, new, superior quality.
Look at this one up top.
Okay, so
Good.
What is it? I don't saw it there.
Of ring stands. Magnetic suction. How?
I'm not sure.
At the top, he did this.
Didn't work though, so try a different strategy.
Is it 3M?
This is
3M. This is quality.
not a spinner.
You're kidding.
Doesn't spin. Let me see yours. Oh, yours spins.
This doesn't spin at all. Wow.
100%. They were up there.
Get him back up there.
I need a power smoothie.
Somebody's gotta do this for me. I'm too frustrated.
Power
We thought, why not support immune and digestive health?
Wants to go very fast.
What do you want to do for the rest of it? Red. It keeps on turning fucking red. So what are you gonna do for the rest of it? You have to make those cookies before they leave? Before you leave? Are you leaving tonight?
Well, like, I have to be. Yeah, but I have to be like back home by like 7.
Honestly? Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Like, I'll shop around and see if we can get cheap.
So we had to get my car inspected. So we're at Mr. Tire on the Vessel Parkway, getting my car inspected. All right, just finished up dinner. We made tacos, obviously, because it's National Taco Day. Then we had some sugar cookies. And now we are headed to the airport to pick up our rental car for the big drive tomorrow.
All right, so we just got the rental car. We're walking out, find out which one it is. We're not really sure. Probably that car.
Just unlock it.
Okay.
It's lit.
Back at the office now, got the rental car, packing up all the gear, getting everything ready to go. We got 2 backpacks on.
Leaving bright and early tomorrow, so we're getting the gear tonight.
Craves.